Thank you for tuning in to Tyre Repairs Made Easy. I'm going to show you how to do a simple on-the-wheel repair. Fantastic for doing garden tractors, ATVs, etc, etc. We have here a big old 4x4 tyre. First of all, we're going to remove one of these string repair units. These are made in the USA. Good old Uncle Sam. They're one of the better ones you can buy. Thread the repair unit through the needle. Sometimes I find it easy to squash it up a bit at the end. These string repairs we sell in our eBay shop. eBay shop name is VW Hosi. The string repairs are item number 2H1 513 331 347. Type that in on the search engine without any gaps. I've just split it up to make it easier for you to write that down. Right, we have the string inserted halfway on the needle. You'll notice has a slit eye, and you'll see why in a minute, why it needs that. I'll put that down for a moment. I'm going to make the hole with this carbide cutter, which is number 281 569 034 499, available in our eBay shop, again VW Hosi. Right, as you can see, this makes a really nice clean round hole. You can see there's tiny particles of steel there where it's cut all the ends of the steel cables off, and it will make a perfectly nice round hole. Right, having pulled the object out, the screw or nail, insert the string, squeeze it in until you can go no further. Now you'll see that the length of the needle is designed for that repair unit, so you push it right the way through and then you twist it until you start to see the string turn in the hole. Can you see that? It's starting to turn. And then you simply remove the needle. That's what the slit's for. And it leaves the repair unit in there. After which, snip it off with a sharp knife, or I'm using a pair of side cutters. And that is ready to roll. Now, if you have a small hole, you have a tiny tack go through the tyre, you can use a hand rasp to ream the hole out first if you wish. This is just a high-speed steel hand rasp. They're available in our shop. Number 261 734 985 328. That's the hand rasp. These are great, but to be honest they don't last long, they're just high-speed steel. This thing, however, this carbide cutter, I've never ever seen one wear out. That will ream out literally hundreds if not thousands of injuries. They're expensive, they're very hard. If you drop that on the floor you can actually break the tip off, but again they last forever, so if you look after it you've got a tool for life. Carbide cutters are available in our shop. Item number 281 569 034 499. All holes don't have to be reamed out. If you've got a nice fat juicy screw or bolt, chances are you pull it out, you'll be able to insert the string quite easily. If you've got a small tack, that could be a different matter. You might need to, again, rasp it out with a hand reamer, or better still, if you're going to do loads of these, buy yourself a proper carbide cutter. Beware though, people are selling copies of these. They look just like that, but they're high-speed steel, and they wear out just as fast as a hand rasp. Thank you for tuning in to Tyre Repairs Made Easy. That's how to do a string repair. The only thing I probably missed out is the tyre pressure. You want the tyre really at around 1 bar, which is just over 10 psi when you insert that string. If you have it any greater, you'll find that it's difficult to push it in. If the tyre's dead flat, then the tyre will pinch up on the needle and you'll find it hard to insert it. So that's a tip. When you're inserting the string, you really need a tyre about 10 psi or 1 bar. Thank you for tuning in to Tyre Repairs Made Easy. See you soon.